Today we will discuss what nursing means and how it has evolved over time. We begin by discussing nursing as an art, a science, and a profession. Prior to discussing the history and development of nursing, we must first understand what nursing truly means. Nursing is more than performing tasks. It's a discipline and a commitment to caring for people across all stages of life. Whether a person is sick or well, the essence of nursing is to help individuals recover, maintain health, or when necessary, support them towards a peaceful death. Nursing blends art, science, and professionalism, all rooted in centuries of caring tradition. This definition guides all nursing practice today. Nursing as an art emphasizes the human side of care. It refers to the use of dynamic skills such as communication, empathy, touch, teaching, and therapeutic presence to help both sick and well individuals recover and maintain health. This art is what makes nursing deeply personal, allowing us to understand patients' needs, provide comfort, and create meaningful connection. It is the part of nursing that patient feels most directly, and it highlights the heart of our profession. Nursing as a science is grounded in knowledge derived from research and logical analysis. It provides framework that guides our decision-making and clinical judgment. As a science, it involves the diagnosis and treatment of human responses to actual or potential problems. This means we do not only treat diseases, we assess how patients react physically, emotionally, socially, and spiritually, and we intervene based on evidence. The science of nursing ensures that our care is safe, effective, and grounded in research. Nursing is also a profession, meaning it carries responsibilities beyond basic caregiving. As a profession, nursing involves a calling to serve others and requires a specialized education and training. Nurses study a theoretical body of knowledge and commit themselves to lifelong learning and research. The profession is guided by a strict code of ethics, ensuring that nurses act with integrity, respect, and compassion. Nursing also demands autonomy and accountability. Nurses make independent decisions and advocate for what is best for their patients. Finally, being a part of a profession means belonging to local and international nursing organizations, which help set standards and advance the profession. This professional identity elevates nursing from simple caretaking to a respected discipline. Two classic definitions strongly shape modern nursing. Florence Nightingale described nursing as the use of patient's environment to support recovery, emphasizing ventilation, hygiene, light, warmth, and nutrition. Her definition highlights the power of the surroundings to promote healing. Virginia Henderson expanded this idea in 1966. She described nursing's unique role as assisting individuals, sick or well, in activities that promote health, recovery, or a peaceful death. She emphasized that nurses help people to do what they would do for themselves if they only had the strength, will, or knowledge. Henderson's definition shows nursing as supportive, empowering, and centered on patients' independence. The word nursing has ancient roots. In Old English, words like nouris and nurture meant to nourish or care for someone, especially a child. The Latin root nutrire, meaning to nourish, and the word nutrix, meaning a caregiver or a wet nurse, also contribute to the term. By Middle English, the word nursing was already being used to describe caring for the sick, the injured, or vulnerable, not only physically, but also emotionally and socially. Over time, as caregiving became more organized and scientific, the term nursing came to represent a professional field that promotes health, prevents illness, and provides care for individuals, families, and communities. In summary, Nursing is a blend of art, science, and professional responsibility. It is rooted in caring, strengthened by scientific research, and guided by ethical standards. Whether supporting health, promoting recovery, or providing comfort at the end of life, nursing remains a holistic and deeply meaningful profession. Alright, before we end this concept, let's take a moment to check your understanding of the key definition of nursing. I will give you a short formative quiz, just a few questions now, to help reinforce your learning and to see whether our lesson objectives have been met. Answer them at your own pace. Which of the following best reflects nursing as an art? A. Using research and logical analysis and clinical decision making. B. Applying dynamic skills and compassionate methods to care for individuals. Letter C. Conducting ongoing scientific investigation to build knowledge. Or letter D. Upholding professional autonomy and accountability. You may pause this video at this point so you can analyze each questions, because the next slides we will be practicing the elimination method so that we can arrive at the correct answer. Alright, option A. Using research and logical analysis and clinical decision making. This describes nursing as a science, not as an art. The previous discussion explains that science of nursing is a body of abstract knowledge built through research and uses logical analysis and evidence. Therefore, we can eliminate this option. Option B. Dynamic skills and methods reflects the definition of nursing as an art. So I'd like to keep these, because I think this is correct. Next, option C. Conducting ongoing scientific investigation to build knowledge. This reflects ongoing research, which is a characteristic of nursing as a profession and not the art aspect. The previous discussion lists ongoing research under the features of nursing as a profession, so we can eliminate this. And option D, upholding professional autonomy and accountability. These elements again of nursing is on the field of the profession, not the art of nursing. The previous discussion lists autonomy and accountability as a characteristics of the profession. So we can eliminate this, leaving us with the answer, which is letter B. The use of dynamic skills and method focuses on caring for the sick and well individuals to promote recovery and well-being. These dynamic skills includes communication, touch. Okay, so the correct answer is letter B. Next question. According to Florence Nightingale, the nurse's unique function is to assist individuals in activities that promote health and recovery. Is it A, true, or B, false? Again, you may pause this video. Okay, so let us discuss. According to Florence Nightingale, her definition is focus on using the environment to assist the recovery of your patient. This definition given on your question belongs to Virginia Herderson, not Florence Nightingale. So the answer is false. Alright. To end this section, nursing is a dynamic blend of art, science, and profession. It requires compassionate care, evidence-based practice, and strong ethical commitment. Understanding this foundation reminds us that nursing is more than a skill. It is a calling to promote health, support healing, and to serve with purpose.